All right. I ain't shooting in a while. Today is, I haven't probably shot a video in like 3 weeks. It won't even matter because these shits is being uploaded based on whatever the fuck we want to be, like put out basically. Definitely going under a new name because this fucking person robbed me of my name. We are one. We're not two. They just getting started, but still, check around before you start doing shit. I'm the big Kenn in town. This video is for How. This is the Howlshot special. He said that, big dog, you gotta try out. This is what he said.
Come on, man. Do the review. Where the pizza cops at, man? Do the pizza cops right here.
Now in an event, I ain't got the motherfucking, if I don't got the clip. So I personally say fuck Pizza Hut. Before I hit the fucking road, how some of my motherfucking money. I need assistance. Just to see how they taste or whatever. Let's get to this. Time to spread out the motherfucking gum. Into the receipt. Oh my god, I just tasted ink. What the fuck? I'm still at the front of the place because I ain't want this shit to get cold. What's this? Why do people like parking next to me? Oh, this is the This is the baked pasta. This is the baked pasta. Only at Pizza Hut, the big New Yorker, 6 extra large slices. This is what it looks like. I mean, it looks like a fucking two-bro slice, I will admit. I remember when I had this shit as a kid, the fucking the underside was uncooked. Like, that shit was unbaked. This shit looked so it was so gross. Whatever, let's get into it. I'm ready to go home. It's fucking blazing out in this bitch. All right, let's see what this shit is like. Instantly, I need my money back. Tastes like nothing. What the fuck was that? And I'm gonna give it another bite. But I don't taste nothing.
It's a good slice. I promise you.
Nope. How? Give my fucking money back. This ain't the Howlshot special. I mean, I altered it because I don't eat pork, but he stood by this. So this shit should be good even without pepperoni. You can't tell me that the pepperoni carry when this is the base. Like, ooh, just in case you have one of these nuggets. Oh my god. Altogether though, would I ever order from here again? No, because I don't thirst for pizza that much. I'd rather wait till I go home to New York to get some real pizza. But overall, I could get that pizza was definitely like a 2 out of 5. Maybe a 1. And this is not for me to be shitting on all y'all fucking what y'all like or whatever. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to I'm being completely honest. Because I didn't taste anything in that pizza. I didn't taste any sauce or anything. I like a nice sweet sauce. With that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all. How? Follow my boy How on Twitch.
Come on.
Twitch.tv/Howlshot. Alright? That's the guy. Now, if y'all want to try this, y'all can go try it. It's not that expensive. It's $16 for a pie. Some of y'all, oh my god, $16 for a pie. Oh my god. Oh my god, he got money. He spent $70. Listen, this is an investment. Mind your business. I missed the camera. Hold on, let's try this. I don't like this.